All right, welcome to your first lesson for the 12 steps to finding your match. I'm your girl, Tiffany. I'm gonna be your matchmaker. And really my goal, my hope is that you feel nice and comfortable and confident, and that we can actually have the same end goal, which is you complete your apps and you feel comfortable and you learn a whole bunch of knowledge throughout this process. So again, like I mentioned, when you saw the intro, 3 things I want you to feel: empowered, confident, and proud, because that's gonna be what's most important. This process is going to be drooling, it's gonna be kind of long, but at the end of the day, it's your process and it's your goals. So guess what? We're gonna do it and we're gonna make it happen. So lesson 1, what can you expect? So this lesson is going to be a whole bunch of definitions, y'all. So these definitions are really to make sure that you know exactly what to understand and how to comprehend this process. There's gonna be words, let me tell you a secret, that you'll never use again. Like, college has its own lingo, and the lingo exists for people that go there. But for some reason or another, they expect us to come out the womb and know these words. But none of us do, but you will at the end of this lesson. It's super long, so feel free to take some breaks and understand that even if it's new and you feel overwhelmed, you can feel those things. Just promise me one thing: you're not gonna feel shame, because there's no shame in this, right? Shame is for when we blame ourselves for not knowing something, but how could you? So a little bit about me: I was first in my family to go to college, and let me tell y'all something. I didn't know anything. I had so much anxiety going through this process. It really took me out. I think it was the first time in my life that I had anxiety. And then you know what happened? I combined anxiety with opportunity. So every time there was a new opportunity in my life, I felt anxiety because my body literally married those 2 things together. I don't want that for you, because anxiety is not fun, right? Because really what you feel is excitement. Because excitement and anxiety are like cousins. They actually are like 2 sides of the same coin. And so whenever you feel that like, oh, I don't know, just tell yourself, oh, I must be really excited right now. So that's what you're gonna do. So you're gonna go through this lesson, you're gonna learn a whole bunch of concepts. Some you know, some you don't know. Some will be things that you can review later, all good. You're gonna learn it, and you're gonna have the cheat code, because we're gonna need this cheat code as we go through the next 11 lessons. I'll see you at the end with the action steps.